What's up guys, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max made by Taurus. Now you can also get these cases for your other iPhones such as the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. They don't just have them for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So here's the first case we're going to take a look at today. It is the Hybrid Clear. So here it is. It is a totally clear case. It has a nice hard backing with some soft edges. It also has some reinforced edges in case you happen to drop your phone on the edge. It's got a little extra protection there, as you can see. It also comes with the covering here. You can just peel off. Okay, look at that. And it's also got anti-yellowing, so they claim that the clear plastic will stay clear and not yellow, which is always nice. So there you got your cutouts for everything, your buttons. Let's go and see how it fits on the phone. Pop it in real easy. So if you got that, the nice green color or pretty much any other color that you want to show off and not hide by a case, this case is pretty nice for you. Now I also do have a glass screen protector on the front here, so it does raise the edge up a little bit, as you can see the glass screen protector, but it looks like the edge does come up just a little bit. So even though if you do have a case on here, it will still give you the little lip. And then if you don't have the screen protector, obviously it'll give you even more lip, so when you put your phone face down it won't touch the screen. So this looks pretty nice on here. The buttons, nice and clicky, very responsive. You got your cutouts there, your camera on the back, and as you can see, it's super clear. And as far as the fingerprints go, it doesn't really show fingerprints all that well, which is always welcome. So it does keep that down to a minimum. Now, if your fingerprints have, oil or food or whatever, when you put them on the back, obviously it's going to show. But here it keeps it down to a minimum, just using it regular day to day. And again, this is the Hybrid Clear case. And you can also use wireless charging with it. You just pop it on the charger here, and you're good to go. Okay, so next up we have a slim fit for your iPhone. This is pretty much for any of the minimalists out there. Okay, so here it is, the slim fit case. It is super light, very super slim. It's not going to add any bulk whatsoever to the phone, but also keep in mind, this is not going to give you the most protection either. This is pretty much for people who want to put a case on their phone to keep it from getting, all scratched up, maybe for the resale value or whatever. Not really worried about too much drop protection. It will, protect the edges somewhat, but if you drop it, this isn't going to give you the most protection. So here it's very thin, has all the cutouts you need for your phone. Let's go ahead and pop the phone in. So there you go. As you can see, my screen protector is pretty much just level with the edges of this case. So if you do have a glass screen protector, that's pretty much what you can expect. Again, it is super thin, super light, feels really nice and soft. The buttons are responsive, very easy to hit. Everything's nice and tight. So if you're a minimalist and you just want to cover your phone to keep it, from getting all scratched, this is probably the case for you. And again, this case is also works with wireless charging. So this one's from their Clear series. It's a clear red. It has a clear back with a red border around it. Okay, so here is the Clear series case. It is very flexible. It's all bendy. It's not like that hard plastic like their Clear one was, but it still gives you some pretty good protection. And they do come in different colors. This particular one just has the red border around it. It's got kind of like a textured inside here. Let's go ahead and put the phone in it. It looks pretty good with my background. Very nice. Okay, so again, it offers some lip if you have a glass screen protector on there. It has all your cutouts. That's what it looks like from the back. Your buttons. responsive. And these ones kind of protrude out, so it's a little easier to hit. These buttons are a little stiffer than the other ones, but they still work. Okay. And then this one also works with wireless charging as well. Okay, so this next one is from their Love series. This case is all silicone. Now they do have other cases, they do have other colors of this. This one is a midnight green. So if you're looking for the silicone case made by Apple, this is also another option for you. It's definitely a lot cheaper, and it's got full body protection, whereas the Apple ones have like a cutout down here, so it doesn't really protect the bottom of the case. It's got that nice suede inside to keep your phone from getting all scratched up. The edges on the top and the sides are reinforced, and then the bottom one has a little give, so you can take out the phone a lot easier. The back is also a little harder. It's not as easy to bend. Let's go put the phone in here. Let's pop that in. And it pretty much looks just like the case made by Apple. But like I said, it's definitely a lot cheaper. So it feels nice. It's got that nice smooth rubbery feel to it. Buttons, super easy to click. They are recessed a little bit, but they click real easy. Got your cutout for your mute button there, the camera, and then for your bottom here. And this also works with the wireless charging. So that is the lineup for the Taurus cases for your iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and iPhone 11. They pretty much have a case that you're going to like regardless of who you are, whether you're a minimalist, you want to show off the color of your phone, or you like the accents, or you want to get that Apple silicone case but don't want to pay $40 for it. They also have a case for that. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.